The refrigerator works by doing vapor compression cycle or refrigeration cycle, and how the components of the refrigeration cycle, like in this picture, interact to cool your food is with. The compressor constricts the refrigerant vapor, raising its pressure and temperature, and pushes it into the coils of the condenser on the outside of the refrigerator. 2. When the hot gas in the coils of the condenser meets the cooler air temperature of the kitchen, it becomes liquid. 3. Now in liquid form at high pressure, the refrigerant cools down as it flows through the expansion valve into the evaporator coils inside the freezer and the fridge. 4. The refrigerant absorbs the heat inside the fridge when it flows through the evaporator coils, cooling down the air inside the fridge. Last, the refrigerant evaporates to a gas due to a raised temperature and then flows back through the compressor, when the cycle starts all over again. The microwave can heat up food because it is able to transmit thermal energy and turn electricity into heat. How the microwave works is that 1. Inside the strong metal box, there is a microwave generator called a magnetron. When you start cooking, the magnetron takes electricity from the power outlet and converts it into high-powered 12 centimeters or 4.7-inch radio waves. 2. The magnetron blasts these waves into the food compartment through a channel called a waveguide. 3. The food sits on a turntable, spinning slowly round so the microwaves cook it evenly. 4. The microwave bounces back and forth off the reflective metal walls of the food compartment, just like light bounces off a mirror. When the microwaves reach the food itself, they don't simply bounce off. Just as radio waves can pass straight through the walls of your house, so microwaves penetrate inside the food. As they travel through it, they make the molecules inside it vibrate more quickly. Last, vibrating molecules have heat, so the faster the molecules vibrate, the hotter the food becomes. Thus, the microwaves pass their energy onto the molecules in the food, rapidly heating it up. The printer uses electrostatic charge to direct the tiny ink droplets to the correct place on the page. Colored ink is passed through a very small hole called a nozzle, which separates the ink into many tiny droplets, which then are given an electrostatic charge. The direction in which the charged ink droplets move can be controlled by electrically charged metal plates. Voltage on the plates means that the charged ink droplets will be attracted to one plate and repelled by the other. This is very similar to a calibrate oscilloscope where an electron beam is directed to a particular place on the screen.